Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. So, welcome back to my weekly 5 and 5 series where I share 5 quick tips in just 5 minutes on decluttering and living a simpler life with less. So, for those of you that are joining us for the first time, welcome. I'm so glad you're here, and I do hope that you find this valuable and that you'll join us again. And for those of you who are joining us week after week, thanks so much for your comments and for helping us grow and for sharing this with your friends and family. So, today's topic is fun and extremely helpful. It's called the 5 types of clutterers. Which one are you? So, let me know if you identify with one of these. So, have you ever wondered why clutter just keeps piling back up, even though you're trying rather desperately sometimes to stay just ahead of it? So here's the thing, it's not always the mess, it's about the mindset. And once you understand your cluttering personality, you can finally create a system that works for you. So today I'll walk through 5 common types of clutterers. Recognizing yourself in one or more of these can be the key to decluttering with more confidence and skill. The first tip is the sentimental saver. So, this particular person struggles to let go of anything that has emotional value. So, the old greeting cards, the gifts from friends or loved ones, or the childhood memorabilia. It's not about the item itself, it's about the memory that it holds. So, if this sounds like you, try this. Choose one item. Maybe it's a greeting card from a long lost boyfriend or your adult son's kindergarten artwork. Take a photo of it. And if you want, even write a little short story about it, why it means so much to you. Then release it and let it go. Notice that the memory remains, but that you've created more space and more freedom for yourself. My second tip is the overwhelmed accumulator. So you want to declutter, but the thought of it is so overwhelming that you don't know where to begin. So you don't. And so the piles continue to grow. You feel even more stuck. And that's a never ending cycle. So if this sounds like you, try this. Don't think about decluttering, the whole house at one time. Just take one drawer, one shelf. And taking that one small step, making, one small decision at a time is how you can break free of that cycle of overwhelm. So try it and you'll be motivated to take another small step and then still another. So my third persona is the just in case keeper. So you hold on to things out of fear. So what if I need it someday? What if I regret letting it go? This mindset holds you back and can make your home feel like a storage unit rather than the place that you can live in. So if this sounds like you, try this. So create a revisit box, and that's a place where you put selected items for 30 days to give you time to decide whether you need it, want it, will keep it. So after 30 days, open that box. If you haven't needed those items or missed them, chances are you can probably let them go. And my fourth persona is the bargain buyer. So you're a sucker for freebies, for sales, for great deals, and the clutter in your home continues to build up, and your bank account reflects the mindless expenses month after month. So the thing is, the thrill of the deal fades very quickly, while the stuff stays behind. So if this sounds like you, each time you resist a bargain, write down how much you didn't spend and watch how quickly the savings and the clutter start to free your space and the savings starts to add up. And my fifth tip for today is aspirational clutterer. So you collect things for a version of yourself that you hope to become one day. So the fitness gear and the fitness wardrobe for a fitter, trimmer you, the art and the craft supplies for a more creative you, or the cookbooks and the recipes for the healthier, more vital you. So if this sounds like you, try this. Ask yourself and be brutally honest. Does this reflect the life that you are living today? And if not, release it if it no longer aligns with the with the current values and your current lifestyle. So clutter isn't just one size fits all, and neither is decluttering. So once you understand why you hold on, what kind of clutterer you are, you can finally learn how to let go. So if you want a little help getting started, check out my essentials checklist. It's only $2.99 in the link below. And they're designed to meet you exactly where you are and guide you step by step. So I'll see you next week for the 5 and 5 insights. And until then, embrace exactly who you are, where you are, and let that be your starting point for a clutter-free life.